In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a header and footer from a document in Acrobat Pro Web inside Chrome. To get started, open your document in Acrobat Pro Web using the Chrome browser. Make sure the file is fully loaded before moving on, so all of the editing tools are available and the page view is stable. This helps avoid clicking too early before the interface is ready. Once your document is open, look for the Edit Tool category in the Acrobat Pro Web toolbar. Select the Edit option to open the editing features for your file. This area gives you access to tools that let you change content and manage document elements, including headers and footers. After that, find the Header and Footer button in the available tool options. Click it to open the related controls. If you do not see it immediately, take a second to scan the toolbar carefully, since the layout can vary slightly depending on your screen size or window arrangement. The important thing is to open the header and footer menu so you can manage those repeating page elements. When the small drop-down menu appears, select Remove. This tells Acrobat Pro Web that you want to delete the current header and footer from the document, rather than edit or update them. Choosing Remove is the key action here, because it clears those repeated rows from the file across the document. A confirmation message will then appear asking you to verify the action. Click Yes to confirm. Once you do that, Acrobat will remove the header and footer rows across all page views in the document. This means the change is applied throughout the file, not just on the page currently visible on your screen. After the removal is complete, it is a good idea to quickly scroll through a few pages to confirm the header and footer are gone everywhere you expected. This gives you a chance to verify the result before closing the file or moving on to any other edits. That's all there is to it. Open the document in Acrobat Pro Web inside Chrome, go to Edit. Choose Header and Footer, select Remove, and confirm by clicking Yes. It's a quick process, and once you know where to look, removing headers and footers becomes very straightforward.